I want to do work online and get paid. How do I go about it? That is the question that came through my website. My name is Kuda from kudaonline.com. So today I'm going to answer that question, how to do work online and get paid. So the first question that I need to get to people there is, I remember when I was actually getting started in 2012 as an online entrepreneur, when I was getting on the internet, I wanted to make easy money. I wanted to sleep and wake up in the morning, money is in my pocket, but it didn't happen that way. I realized that if you jump online, there's more work to be done, even more than the work that you do when you're actually going to work, because you're going to work on it. So to answer this question, I need to do work online. So the first thing that I ask is, what are you good at? What do you know? What are you good at? What do you know? What's your profession? And what I recommend, if you want to do work online, do work that you know that you're good at. Okay, I'll give you an example of myself. I'm studying right now. The time that I'm actually doing this video, I'm also going to school. I'm studying computer science, and I have a few of my clients who I do work for in terms of web designing. I have a team that I work with that does web designing, and most of the work that we do it online. We don't have an office. We just do everything virtually. So if I need something done, I just call the graphic designer, I just call the web guy, and then I give them the tasks, and then the money is paid, and everything is happening online. No office, no nothing. Okay, so if you look at that, it's work that we are doing, but instead of doing it in an office, we're just doing it online. So you need to look at what you're good at and offer it as a service, and then you get paid. There's a lot of things that are being offered on the internet, and I cannot really know them all, like to tell you go this route. You just have to look at what you're good. I'll give you an examples of I have a friend of mine who is a Zimbabwean, and she's teaching English to the Japanese while she's at home. She works between 11 a.m. to about 6-7 p.m. and on a monthly basis she gets paid between $400 to $600, and she's doing it online. It's that kind of work that she's actually doing. Another good friend of mine she's a writer. She's actually writing for different companies from all over the world. She does the work. They just ask her to write something, and then she does the work from home, and then she actually gets paid. So when it comes to if you want to get paid online, make sure that you're offering some sort of value. And if you offer some sort of value or work, you give it out to people, and then in exchange of the work that you have done, you're actually going to get paid. So in my early days in internet marketing, I did things like clicking some adverts, doing some surveys, but I realized, you know what, this is not my area or my gifting. Okay, so I better focus on what I'm really good at and do that as a service to other companies or to other individuals and actually get paid. So if you want to do work online, this is what I recommend. I recommend that you look for a person who can actually guide you to discover what you are really good at, because you're going to try a number of things that are actually going to fail. Definitely it's going to fail, that are actually not going to work out, before you figure out what you really want to do. So I hope that actually answers the question, how to do work online and get paid. Remember, you get paid according to the amount of value that you bring to the marketplace. If you bring little value, you're not going to get paid. If you bring higher value, you're actually going to get paid. So what I've done is, below this video, I've actually added an ebook with 100 online business ideas or 100 online earning ideas that can actually help you to discover some of the ways of how you can actually make money online. So thank you very much. That's Kuda. I'm gonna come back again and answer some of the questions that people are leaving on my website. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you sharing this video. subscribing and leaving a comment if I missed out anything. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.